Hi, I'm Colleen.
And I'm Kayla. Welcome to our CrafterNoon adventures.
Today we're going to be making a button with our button maker. To design your button, go to www.button-designer.com and print. Make sure you know what button size you're going to be making. And in this design space, you can change the titles, the background, the color, the font. You can also upload images. When you're happy with your design, save it and go to Buttons Overview. Click on your design and the print button. Grab one button front, back, and mylar piece along with your images. Place the paper cutter over your button design, press down on the handle, and rotate clockwise. Now take your button maker and place the button components in the pickup die on the left and the crimp die on the right. Rotate the pickup die clockwise until it is underneath the upper die. Pull the handle down, easily crimping the shell, image, and mylar in the upper die. The button components are now in the upper die. Raise the handle and rotate the crimp die counterclockwise. With the button back still in the crimp die, pull the handle a second time. Rotate the button die clockwise to see your finished button. Congratulations, you've made your first button.
We hope you enjoyed today's craft. Most projects we demonstrate can be made in under an hour and require a few basic tools or supplies.
Have questions or suggestions for future videos? Use the comment section below and we'll add it to our list. Thanks for watching, and remember the Makerspace mantra.
The only limit is your imagination.